I guess this hike has like this valley that's super famous or something. It's gonna be really neat. Okay, so I always feel so silly trying to say all these Hawaiian names and locations, but today we are going to Waipi'o Valley Trail. Now that is probably so wrong, but I don't know how to say it. It's a 5-mile hike, 1,400 feet elevation gain, so it is going to be a little tougher, but nothing we can't handle. So we're really excited to go explore, and we should have some incredible views. This is the way. We're going straight down, so that means we're going to be going straight up.
Yeah.
I'm up for it.
I'm up for it.
It's a little steep.
This is not even like kind of down.
It's very down.
Okay, before we start acting like this hike is all crazy and the best thing we've ever experienced.
This is not an actual hiking trail.
No.
This is just a road.
Literally down, 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 down. But you do have some pretty cool views.
Yeah. Yeah, this is nice.
Holy moly. We do know that you can drive this road, but we don't have the car that you can do it in. Right behind us right now is a car that can totally do it. But that's as steep as they come.
Must be nice.
Must be nice. Once you get down from that extreme hill, you walk along a dirt path, and because it's been raining for the past 4 days, it's a little muddy. Other than that, smooth sailing. And it sounds like
we're getting close.
We're getting close, yeah.
Well, people are here to surf. Lots of surfers. See?
Yeah.
Oh, there's people out there surfing. I guess we have to cross the river.
This is the river. Unanimously, we decided we're gonna actually try to cross this thing.
Oh, it's cold.
We've made it to the easy part. We're just walking by the waves, by the shore, barefoot. A lot better of a feeling and pretty cool to be down here. I don't know that you really need to do this hike to get next to the beach, but at least it's kind of like a light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to walking up or downhill or hiking. We had a good time, but it's already about that time to get back. If we don't leave now, there's a good possibility that we'll get stuck in the rain. And considering how fast the weather changes here, it's not a risk you want to take with a not waterproof camera. So I'd say we had a great afternoon here. We just got back to where our car is. That hike up was not for the faint of heart, but
Not terrible.
it wasn't terrible.
Short, so.
Yeah, it was super short. It's less than a mile, I guess. The whole way down, I was like, it goes down for 2 miles. It doesn't. Under a mile. And that being said, we made it back before rain. We got all the way down, saw the beach, walked across the valley, and came back before rain came. We're gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching.
My hat has a kink in it. It's supposed to be sunnier on the north side of the island, but with our luck, we'll see. There's a cow here that we really love. He's so cute, but we don't know why he's here. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I can't look at myself. It's too funny.
It's my gangsta girl.
Michael had to stop for some coffee because if he doesn't get his coffee, he doesn't usually know what's going on. Waipi'o. Waipi'o.
Waipi'o.
Waipi'o.
Waipi'o. Oh, there's the path. You just walk on this thing.
No, that's not it. Ooh. Do you see my backpack? 4th bathroom break.
This is definitely harder than it looks. A bunch of round rocks, algae on them. So it's pretty easy to get slipped and fall. And hopefully I don't do that. You're doing great.
This is hard.
You got this, Laura. She's a little lighter weight than I am. The water is a little strong right there.
I'm going up there next time. That hurt really. I think I like ripped off the phone.
Can I get like a hands up in the air type thing? Laura's ticked. She hurt her feet pretty bad.
Uh-oh.
That's my first experience with a wild horse, and I loved it.